Ava, come on. Let's walk in the grass.
Look.
Come on.
It's grass.
Come on. Come on.
Freaky when they cover up their whole face. Come here.
Come on.
Come here. You can do it.
It's just grass. You want to touch it first?
Come here.
You want to touch the grass first?
Give me a hug. I want a hug. What's another way I can get down? That's not.
Come on.
So do I need to fix your hat? I think I do.
Come on, chick. See, Harley's not afraid of the grass. Come here, Ava. Here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Here. Come on. Oh, squishy. Yeah. Not bad.
Good girl. Hey, you don't need to be picked up. Work those legs out. Yeah. Look, isn't that fun?